Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how we are going to calculate the shape function for a rectangular element, and here I have taken a four noded rectangular element. Now we know that this is a 2D element, so you will be having u1, that is two components of displacement, u1 v1, and here it is u2 v2 u3 v3 u4 and v4. Okay, and even I know that u of x is equal to what? N1 u1, N2 u2, N3 u3 plus N4 u4. V of y is equal to N1 v1 plus N2 v2 plus N3 v3 plus N4 v4. Okay. Now here what we have to do is, I'll be taking each and every node and I'll be calculating the values here. Okay. Now I'll be considering about the node 1. I'll write the figure for node 1. So about node 1. So this is at node 1. Okay, so this is about node 1. See here, the important thing is you have to just see about this node. In about this node, it is connected to second node and it is connected to fourth node. Now, what is our x direction? This is our x direction. This is our y direction. Okay. Now, in x direction, it is connected to only two nodes. So, we'll be getting n1 of x is equal to what? X minus x2 divided by x1 minus x2. Substitute the value of x2. x2 is a, x1 is minus a. So we'll be getting a minus x divided by 2a. Now n1 of y would be equal to what? X minus x1 divided by x minus x2 minus x1. It is y, no, sorry. Now n1 of y it is. Now in the y direction, if you see the figure, it is connected to what? For the fourth node. So you will be getting y minus y4 divided by y1 minus y4. Okay, because this is connected to 4, so you have to just see the drawing properly, see the element properly, like on which element it is connected. Okay, now this would be equal to what is the y4 value? If you see the figure, it is minus a. It is y, no? Y value is what? It is b. So this is minus b minus b. So it is equal to what? Y minus, this will be b minus y, because it is minus 2b, no? That's why. So n1 of x comma y would be equal to n1 of x comma n1 of y, which is equal to a minus x divided by 2a and b minus y divided by 2b. Okay, so this is how we are going to calculate the value of what? N1. Now we are going to calculate the value for N2. So to calculate the N2 value, we are going to write for N2 here. So this is second node and this is first, and here if you see, it is third. That means second node is connected to first in the x direction and in the y direction it is connected to 3. So anyhow we have already written, no, that is n2 of x comma y is equal to what? n2 of x, n2 of y. So anyhow we know the equation. So let us write the equation directly. Now n2 of x comma y is equal to what? n2 of x. n2 of x is equal to what? It is connected to first node. That means you will be getting x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This would be n2 of x. Then n2 of y is what? It is connected to third node here. So we'll be getting y minus y3, y2 minus y3. Now, what is the value of x1? We have, it is minus a. x2 is plus a. And this one would be y minus b. y3 value is b. y2 value is minus b. So we'll be getting a plus x into b minus y divided by 4ab, because here 2a will come, here minus 2b will come, so that minus I have just made it here. Now I forgot to tell you, this will be the x1 y1 value, this is x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4 value. Okay, now this is about n2 value. Now let us consider for third. This is third node, it is connected to 4 and this is connected to 2. Now we'll write n3 of x comma y is equal to what? We know that n3 of x comma y is equal to n3 of x into n3 of y. So 3 is connected to 4 node in x direction. So it is x minus x4 whole divided by x3 minus x4. Now n3 of y, that is in the y direction, it is connected to second node. That's why it is y minus y2, y3 minus y2. So x minus x4 value is, so x4 is minus a plus a, and y plus b, because y2 value is minus b. So I will be getting x plus a plus x into y b plus y divided by 4ab. Okay, so this is how, yeah, this is how we are going to calculate the value. Okay, so this is how we are going to calculate the n3 value. Now similarly, let us write for fourth node. So if you see this figure, you can just see 4 is connected to 3 in x direction, 4 is connected to 1 in y direction. So we will be getting n4 of x comma y would be equal to n4 of x, n4 of y is equal to n4 of x. That means it is connected to 3. x4 minus x3, y minus y1, y4 minus y1, and x3 is a, x4 is minus a, y minus y1 is minus b. So you will be getting a minus x into b plus y whole divided by 4ab. Okay, so this is the n4 value.